Hey there, go-getters! Ready to unlock your mind's full potential and achieve total Zen? You're in the right place. Today, we're diving deep into the world of meditation. Whether you're a newbie or a seasoned pro, this video is packed with tools, techniques, and truths to elevate your meditation game. Welcome back, warriors! If you're new here, hit that subscribe button and join our incredible community. Today, we're tackling 3 powerful topics: a step-by-step guide to meditation, different meditation techniques, and busting some common myths about meditation. Let's get started. Step-by-step guide to meditation. 1. Find your space. First things first, create your sanctuary. It could be a quiet corner in your home, garden, or any peaceful spot outside. The goal is to find a place where you feel comfortable and free from distractions. 2. Get comfortable. Sit in a comfortable position. You can sit on a chair with your feet on the floor, or cross-legged on a cushion. Keep your back straight and relaxed. Close your eyes and take a few deep breaths. Feel the air fill your lungs and then slowly release it. This is your time. 3. Focus on your breath. Breathing is your anchor. Pay attention to each inhale and exhale, and you can also focus on the rise and fall of your chest or abdomen. If your mind wanders, gently bring it back to your breath. Remember, this is a judgment-free zone. 4. Scan your body. Mentally scan from head to toe. Notice any tension and consciously relax those areas. This helps to ground you and enhances your body awareness. 5. End your session. When your timer goes off, slowly open your eyes. Take a moment to notice how you feel before getting up. 6. Practice regularly. Consistency is key. Try to meditate at the same time each day to build a habit. Different meditation techniques. 1. Mindfulness meditation. Focus on the present moment. Pay attention to your thoughts, sensations, and surroundings without judgment. This is great for reducing stress and enhancing emotional regulation. 2. Loving-kindness meditation. Cultivate compassion by focusing on sending love and kindness to yourself and others. It's powerful for boosting empathy and emotional resilience. 3. Body scan meditation. This technique involves paying close attention to bodily sensations from head to toe. It's excellent for improving your mind-body connection and promoting relaxation. 4. Transcendental meditation. Use a mantra, a word, or phrase repeated silently. This helps you transcend ordinary thinking and achieve a state of deep restfulness. Common misconceptions about meditation. Myth: meditation is about emptying your mind. Truth is, it's about awareness and acceptance. It's normal for thoughts to arise. The key is to observe them without getting caught up. Myth: meditation takes hours to be effective. Reality: even a few minutes a day can make a big difference. Consistency is more important than duration. Myth: you have to sit cross-legged. Reality: you can meditate standing, lying down, or even walking. Find what works best for you. Myth: meditation is a religious practice. Reality: while it has roots in spiritual traditions, meditation is secular and universally beneficial. It's all about mental well-being. Myth: it's only for stress and anxiety. Reality: meditation can help with stress and anxiety, but it also enhances overall well-being, creativity, and emotional resilience. You've got the tools, now it's time to take action. Start incorporating meditation into your daily routine and watch how it transforms your life. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and share it with someone who needs a little Zen in their life. Stay strong, stay mindful, and keep striving for greatness. See you in the next video.